Hey everyone, just at Westhoughton. When I was filming the last video for the electrification scheme, I noticed that because of the tree clearance, some stuff had been revealed. So I'm just going to walk down this footpath here at the side of the track. There's the remains of what I think is an abandoned pit. And after I've had a look at this, I'm going to look at the remains of where a signal box was. So this green fence here at the side of the runs at the side of the railway. Just after these bins, I noticed now, looking at this now, it doesn't appear to be the retaining wall for the railway, or if it is, I think there's been tracks there previously. I've had a little bit of a zoom in, see a little bit more there. And I'm just going to put a photo up on screen now of some maps. Now these maps are 1920s, and it shows a pit. Now it's difficult to say for certain, but I think there might have been sidings going into this pit, and I'm wondering if that, what I'm showing in the centre of the picture now, is part of the pit infrastructure what was there at the time, and it's literally just been consumed by nature until they cleared it back for the electrification scheme. So if anybody does know, leave it in the comments. Just on the A6 Manchester Road bridge now. This is looking south towards the site of Westhoughton station. So this section here, apparently this used to be a signal box. So if you can, it's not probably the easiest to see. But if we zoom it back out, see here on the left, where the edge of the retaining wall was, it was like a rectangular section that the signal box used to sit in. So it looks like since they've done the electrification work, they've just used that section there, a little bit of a dump for all the tree growth.
So thanks for watching everybody. If you want to see the rest of the electrification scheme, I'll put the playlist up on screen now. And if you could like, subscribe and share, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks again, see you next time. Cheers.